An ideal case of n molecules is confined in a one-dimension tube of length L and kept at a temperature T. The gas is subjected to a potential V function of x equal to lambda x to the power 4. The specific heat per particle of the gas is, so options are kb by kb by 2, and second option 3 kb by 4, third is kb, and fourth option is 4 kb by 4, where the kb is the Boltzmann constant. Here the given potential of the system is the Vx equal to lambda x to the power 4. We know that the energy of the system, that is the total energy of the system, the kinetic energy plus potential energy, so that is equal to E. So now we using the equipartition theorem, we know that the p square by 2m average equal to kbt by 2. Then lambda x to the power 4 by 4 average equal to integration 0 to infinite lambda x to the power 4 by 2 e to the power minus lambda x to the power 4 by 4 kbt of dx, and also divided by integration 0 to infinite e to the power minus lambda x to the power 4 by 4 kbt of dx. So that is the average value of the lambda x to the power 4 by 4. It quite similar to the any variable of the expectation value. We get the integration of 0 to infinity of x x e to the power this term and dx, or integration of e to the power minus of this of dx. So now we get the result of that is equal to kbt by 4. Okay, so the energy equal to p square by 2m plus lambda x to the power 4 by 4. So the average energy equal to, so p square by 2m average plus lambda x to the power 4 by 4 average. So the average total energy equal to, that is this value is kbt by 2. So average value of the p square by 2m equal to kbt by 2, and lambda x to the power 4 by 4 is the average value is kbt by 4. So equal to 3 by 2 kbt. Okay, 3 by 2 kbt. So this is the average energy. Now the total energy of the system, sorry, that is 3 by 4, also 3 by 4. So now the total energy of the system, so that is n multiply of this term, so that is the total energy of the system E bar equal to, so n multiply of 3 by 2 kVt for n particles, so that is equal to 3n kBt by n. So now the specific heat per particle. Okay, so here find out the specific heat per particle, that is C equal to 1 by 4, sorry, C equal to 1 by n, formula is 1 by n of dE bar by dt. So that is the specific heat per particle, C equal to 1 by n dE bar by dt. So we get the specific heat, so 3 kT by 4, and also derivative of T, differentiate with respect to T, so we get the specific heat per particle is equal to 3 kB by 4. So the correct option of this problem, option B. Okay.